types of variables, correct, right? We covered already types of variables, types of arguments. How many types of arguments are there? Anyone, can you please tell how many types of arguments are there, sir? Yes, four types of arguments. What is the first argument? What the first argument? I forgot the names. You have to tell, man. What the first type of argument? Positional arguments. Where positional arguments, where number of arguments, order of arguments, both must be important. Are you getting right? Next, and after that, what is the second one, sir? Keyword arguments. Are you getting? Keyword arguments. Keyword argument. What is the third one, sir? Positional arguments, keyword argument, default arguments. Are you getting? Default arguments. Arguments like you should aware. Last one, very important, sir. Variable length arguments. Are you getting? Variable length arguments, right? Okay. Sorry, variable length arguments, you people should aware. Next, under variable length arguments, one more subcategory I covered. Sir, have you observed? Star n. Next, and after that, star n. Okay, I covered star n. What is the meaning of star n, sir? Yes, man. Variable length keyword arguments. Are you getting right? Variable length keyword arguments. Sir, now you people are the king in this area. Not required to keep much explanation about this terminology, right? Sir, up to this is the clear for all of you, right? Yes, man. Up to this is a very clear for all of you, right? Sir, we covered. Still, the people are having any doubt, just go through your previous session. Then you can able to understand very easily, sir. Sir, now what is the next thing I have to discuss, right? Types of variables. But before going types of variable, just keep one point in your mind. Okay, maybe in the future you people are going to get much clarity. Don't worry, sir. Sir, you know, have you ever heard about function? We are discussing the same concept only. Have you ever heard about function? Yes, we covered already. Are you getting that? We use it. You know what is the function, sir? Function is nothing but a group of, respond, man. Function is nothing but a group of, function is nothing but a group of statements, a group of instructions, a group of statements itself is by default considered as function. Okay, next term, sir, somewhere we may talk about modules. Somewhere we may talk about modules. Sir, first we covered functions. Next we are talking about modules. We will discuss. Don't worry, sir. I never covered math module. Somewhere math module, system module. Like there are several modules. We know what is the module. I don't know, sir. Next and after that, we have to talk about package. After package, we have to talk about library. Okay, like total, how many components are there? Can you please read once these words? Can you please read once? What is the first one? Function. What is the second one? Module. What is the third one? Package. What is the last one? Library. Like these words, right? Sir, very simple. Sir, now I'm defining a function. Legend this one. Just a basic idea purpose, matter of 5 minutes. But keep this point in your mind, sir. DEF, sir, add function I'm taking x comma y. Are getting add function I'm taking x comma y. Then what I'm trying to take 1 minute, sir. Let me go for test.py. Okay, sir, I'm taking add function I'm taking def add a comma b. Next and after that, what I'm going to take is print of a plus b. Regarding print of a plus b, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, now like this, how many functions I can take? Regarding right? Any number of functions I can take. Add function, subtraction, multiplication, division, like any number of functions I can take. Sir, now take a bit very special care. Okay, observe very carefully, sir. Sir, these functions, this set of functions I want to save to a file. Are you getting that? These set of functions I want to save to a file. Okay, I'm saving this one, yeah, test.py. Or otherwise, I'm saving this one, yeah, calci.py. Save as calci.py. Remember this one. I'm saving this code, yeah, sir, calci.py. Okay, like. Sir, now take a bit very special care. Sir, here I have function is there. A group of functions saved to a file. What is the file name? I used? You can able to see what is the file name, sir. What is the file name here I used? calci.py. Are you getting what is the file name I use? Calci.py. Sir, this calci, sir, is a file which contain a group of functions. This one is by default considered a module. Are you getting right? What is the meaning of module? Yes, module is a file which contains a group of functions. A group of functions and variables saved to a file. That thing is by default considered as module. Everyone can able to understand? You respond, man. Are you able to understand, right? Sir, what is the module? Okay, so module itself is nothing but a group of functions saved to a file is called a module. So next and after that, sir, calci module is there. Okay, assume that calci is one module, sir. One module, calci is one module. Next and after that, sir, here just observe second one, sir, customer module is there, sir. Assume that customer module is there. Next and after that, order module is there. So all the calculation related functions are available inside calci. All the customer related functions are available inside customer module. All the order related functions are available inside order module, right? So this group of related modules I want to take as a single unit. That unit is nothing but package. Are you able to understand, right? That unit itself is nothing but package. So sir, a group of functions saved to a file. A group of functions saved to a file is called a module. A group of modules keep inside a folder is called package. Are you getting that? Sir, what is the meaning of package? Package is nothing but a group of modules. Clear? Are you able to understand as of now? Sir, what about classes and so on? Class is the part of module only. Remember that, sir. Class itself is a part of module only, but we don't know about classes as of now. Just aware up to whatever we know knowledge, just up to that. Because we never talked about classes, objects, such type of terminology. In the future, whenever the cinema is going to come, there we will discuss, right? So, is it clear for all of you, right? Everyone can able to understand? Sir, what is function? What is module? What is module? What is package? Sir, Vaibhav is asking some doubt. Is it possible to create our own module? I already created, Vaibhav. Have you observed it? What is this one? What is this one? Calci. Calci is my own module. Regarding calci is my own module. If you want, you can able to use this one in the other programs, no problem at all. Sir, after completing these functions, next topic is modules only. There I will discuss much. Don't worry about that, sir. Okay, sir. I hope up to this is the clear for all of you, right? Okay, that's all. Next, a group of modules I want to group into a single folder, which is nothing but package. Clear, right? Next, a group of packages. A group of related packages into a single file, a group of related packages is nothing but what? Library. Okay, remember that. So library contain, sir, library sorry, library is there. Library contain a group of respond. Library contain a group of packages. Are you getting? A group of packages. Library is nothing but a group of packages. Sir, each package contain a group of modules. A group of modules. Each module contain a group of functions. Are you getting that? Each module contain a group of functions as of now. Remember this one. Clear, right? So a group of functions is considered as module. A group of modules is considered as a package. A group of packages is nothing but library. Clear for all of right? So any explanation is required? Okay, so just keep this point in your mind, because the next classes onwards, after completing these functions, next cinema is modules only. After completing module, next we require to talk about the packages only. That's why there you people can get much clarity. Okay, that's all, sir. So this is about what just aware the terminology. Module is nothing but a group of functions. A group of modules is nothing but package. A group of packages is nothing but library. Sir, can you please tell library contain? Good. Library contain a group of, respond each and every person. Library contain a group of packages. Each package contain a group of modules. Each module contain a group of functions. Okay, that's all. At very top level you can consider like But anyway, just aware that knowledge also for basic idea purpose, right? Okay, sir, where you can take classes, where you can take and so on, all those things we will discuss. Don't worry, just for basic idea purpose, I'm keeping this word, sir. Now, there is one beautiful concept is there, sir. Sir, there is one beautiful concept is there. That concept itself is, sir, here is types of variables, sir. Remember this one, types of variables. Variables I'm taking, sir. Sir, now in Python, sir, I'm not talking about classes and so on. Forget about classes, class level variables and so on. We will discuss soon. But as of now, functional programming we are covering, right? So in Python, Python supports two types of variables. Are you getting, sir? How many types of variables, right? Two types of variables. What is the first ones are global variables. Are you getting? What the first ones are global variables. What is the second ones are local variables. What is the first one? Global variables. Second ones are local variables, like this, right? So Python provides support for two types of variables. Remember this one. What is the first one? Global variables. Second ones are local variables. Remember that. Okay. Sir, what is a global variable? What is the global variable, right? Sir, global variable is nothing but the variable which is declared outside a function. Are you getting that? The variable which is declared outside a function, sir, which is available for all modules. Which is available for all modules. Such type of variables are by default considered as global variables. Okay, sir, where we have to declare global variables, right? Where we have to declare global variable outside of the function. Outside of the function. Okay, like this, right? Sir, can you just the variables which are declared outside the function? These are global variable. Global variables are available for all functions in that module. Okay, have a look once. Our test.py. I'm taking the test.py. This is about my test.py. Here, just I'm taking a is equal to, sir, 10. I'm taking a is equal to 10, sir. Sir, now def f1, def f1, sir, print off. Sir, here I'm taking f1, print off f1 comma a I'm taking. Can you please tell, is it valid or not? Ayo, remember that. Is it valid or not? Yes, sir, it's a perfectly valid, sir. It's a perfectly valid, no problem at all. Sir, now have a look once. I'm taking f2 function. Then automatically, sir, in f2, I'm trying to access. Is it valid or not? Yes, no problem at all. Because this global variable is available for all. These global variables are available for all functions in that module. Remember that, sir. Sir, now let me call this f1. Next one after that, let me call this f2. Are you getting f1, f1 and f2, sir. Now have a look once. Okay, here py test.py I'm taking. Regarding py test.py, sir, f1 is the 10, f2 is nothing but 10. I hope everyone can able to understand. Any explanation is required, but make sure, sir, take a bit very special care, okay, related to this. More concentration must be required. Divya, we will discuss your doubts on. Okay, that's all. So very simple, at very top level, what is global variable? The variables which are declared outside of the function are called global variables. Global variables are available for all functions of that module. Clear? Yes, ma'am. Any explanation is required? Yes, good. Same as C language, I hope. C also contain this type of thing. But in Java, we are not having any global variables concept. Everything we have to declare within the class only. Outside of the class, you can't take. Okay? In Java, Vedant, in Java, there is no such type of terminology. You have to declare within the class only. Within the class. But here, this is declaring outside of the class. That's why it is not public variable or it is not. So that is the Java's related terminology, the different. Okay, that's all. Sir, now I'm taking a function def f1, sir. Inside f1, a is equal to 10 I'm taking. Print of, sir, print of f1, comma a. Sir, can you please tell what is this variable, sir? This variable is nothing but one local variable. Correct or not? This variable is nothing but what? Local to f1. You declare inside local variable. That's why local to f1. Sir, happily it is going to execute, no problem, sir. So tomorrow I'm taking one more function def f2 I'm taking. Assume that def f2 I'm taking. Sir, now print f2 comma a I'm taking. Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Yes, man. Is it valid or invalid? Sir, I'm calling f2. Anyway, whether you are calling or not, is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Because the reason is, sir, a is a local variable of f1. It is available only inside f1, but outside of f1, sorry man, it is not available. Outside of f1, it is not available. Then how you can access inside f2? Immediately we are going to get name error. What is that, sir? Can you spell out what is the error we are going to get? Name error saying, okay, a is not defined. Remember that, name error, okay, saying is not defined. Okay, like Rich Cohen, you can't access f1.a something. No such type of terminology. Name error, by default you are going to get, sir. Observe that. What is this one? Name error. A is not defined, sir. That's all. Everyone got basic idea about what is global variable, what is the local variable, right? The variables which are declared outside of the function are called global variable. Global variables are available for all functions. The variables which are declared inside a function are called local variables. Local variables are available only for that particular function. Clear? Up to this? So basic idea, are you getting? But there are some loopholes are there. Those things we are going to discuss. Don't worry, sir. Sir, now take a bit very special care. Sir, you know, my requirement is, observe that very carefully, sir. Very carefully. Don't get confused. Observe. Sir, most of the people are getting confusion here. A is equal to 10 I'm taking, sir. A is equal to 10. Is it a local variable or global variable? Is it local variable or global variable? This one is one local or global variable, right? Sir, now a is equal to 777 I'm taking. Sir, now SOP of like this, right? Can you please tell what is the output by default you are going to get? Yes. What is the output by default you are going to get, sir? Anyone? What is the output by default you are going to get? Sir, F1 777. What about F2? Same. What about F2? F2 value, sir. What about F2? 10? 10 or 777? 10 or 777? Okay, remember that. Good. Sir, if I declare a variable here, it will become local variable. Sorry, global variable is there, local variable is there with the same name. Now, here within F1, if any person is asking A, then automatically we can use the word it is a local variable. But outside of this, sorry, if I'm asking, global variable will come in the picture. So here 777, but here is nothing but what 10 by default you are going to get. Correct or not? Okay, 777, 10. But now my question is, please consider this one. Yes, please consider this one. Yes, sir, local, I mean global variable only. How you can able to specify? Are you getting right? How you can able to specify? Sir, this is. But in Java, sir, declare. If you declare separately local variable, if you are not declaring directly using, then global variable, I mean class level variable, right? But here, how you can? Are you getting my doubt right? Sir, this A is global variable value changing, but not local variable value. How you can able to do that? Okay? Yes, good. What you have to do to make this variable available to this function, sir, what I will take here is global A. Are you getting what I require to take, sir? Global A. So inside this function, if I'm using any A inside this function, if I'm using any A, then it is always going to refer global variable A only. don't consider local variable. Yes, sir. Are you getting? Then automatically global A value will be changed. That's why F1 will become 777. Next, already global value got changed. If I can ask now, have you observed, right? Have you observed? In both cases, 777. Everyone can able to understand, right? Yo, are you getting? So how you can make global variable available to the function? Sir, by mistake, if I'm not using global word, then it will become local. But if I use global word, global keyword, then automatically, okay, a value will become, sir, I'm referring global variable, but not the local variable. Clear for all of you, right? Yes. Further, sir. Are you able to understand, right? Okay. So now have a look one. If you call F2 first, excellent. Then automatically, can you please tell what the output we are going to get? Sir, as of now, at the time of executing this one, 10 only. But at the time of executing this one, then the value got changed. Remember that order is always based on your function call only. Sir, observe that F2 10, F1 777. Okay, like. So what is the purpose of global keyword in Python, sir? To declare global variables inside function, to make global variable available to that function so that we can perform required modifications. Okay, like, sir, now here this is one way. Sir, if you want to refer global variable only, sir, what is the purpose of global keyword? Okay, one thing to make global variable available to the function, to make a global variable available to the function. Okay, so that we can perform our required modifications, right? Our required modifications like this, we can able to do that. Okay, here there is one small another facility is there. What is that facility? Yes, take very special care, sir. Observe carefully about this one. What about my requirement is legend this one. Sir, I'm not taking A. Observe that I'm not taking A, sir. A. Just I'm taking A is equal to 888. A is equal to 888. Now F1 I'm taking, and then F2 I'm taking. Can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get? Janacharya, observe a bit carefully. What answer by default we are going to get? Yes, if you can take like this, sir, immediately error by default we are going to get. What is the reason? You know. This A is what? This A is what? Is what? Local variable or global variable? This A is what? Local variable. If it is the local variable, how you can able to declare? How you can able to access outside of F1? Okay. Now observe that F1 wise no problem at all, but F2 wise the problem. Name A is not defined. Sir, now inside a function, I want to declare a global variable. Are you getting? Sir, can you please make this one as global? Can you please make it available for all? What you can take is, sir, global. Okay, global A is equal to, just observe that, sir. Global A is equal to 888. I'm taking. Sir, is it going to accept in the same line or two lines are required? Array global A is equal to 888. Is it required? Is it accessible in the same line or two lines are required? Just observe that. Sir, now this variable will become global. Now you are allowed to access anywhere, no problem at all. Remember this one? Are you able to understand? Here invalid syntax. You know the reason already. A is equal to, like this I'm taking. Now, are you in a position to understand, right? Okay, make sure, sir. So inside the function, if you want to declare global variable, then which keyword must be required is nothing but global. Okay, sir, if local variable and global variable having the same name, then I don't want local copy, I want global copy only. Then happily you can go for global keyword. Are you getting? So inside a function, is it possible to declare global variables? Respond, man. Inside a function, is it possible to declare global variables or not? Yes, okay, yes, no problem at all. Okay, how you can do is by using what? Global is the keyword, right? So for which purpose? To make a global variable available to the function so that we can perform our required modifications. Next, to declare global variables inside function. Global variables inside function. Happily we can go for global. That's all, sir. Clear? Any explanation is required? Okay, that's all. Now Rishi is asking a small doubt, sir. Suppose by mistake f2 I'm calling first f2 I'm calling first, and after that f1. f2 I'm calling first, and after that f1. So you declare local variable, you declare global variable inside f1, but at the time of executing f2, not there, then automatically it may be the problem. Correct or not? So that's why, so before using, compulsory make sure it is already declared. The corresponding method call should be executed. Clear? Yes. Up to this is the clear for all period. Not required to keep any explanation about this terminology. Okay, that's all. This is about global keyword, right? Okay, so what is the meaning, what is the purpose of global keyword, for which purpose we are allowed to use global is nothing but clear, not required to keep much explanation, right? But I have one small chota doubt, sir. What is my doubt is, observe that, sir, all the people are getting clearly what is the global variable, what is the local variable, what is the use of global keyword. Sorry, if you have global keyword inside a function, whatever variables you declare, you can make that variable as a global. Remember that, sir. Okay, sir. Now here it's very clear for you people, right? Next, someone is asking, if f1 and f2 both have global variable, and we print a in f3, what will happen? If we print a in f3, what will happen? Maybe a chance of ambiguity. Here just observe that, sir. Here just have a look once, sir. Rich Kohli is asking one small doubt. I hope everyone can able to understand, sir. Now global variable already inside f1 it is there. Now I'm taking inside the f2 also, sir. Global variable a is equal to 999. First, is it going to be accepted or not? Let me cover f1 and then f2. Is it going to be accepted or not, sir? Now observe a bit carefully. Yes, no problem at all. What will happen in this case is, yes, listen very carefully, Cohen. What will happen in this case is, first you are calling which method call? First we are calling which method call? F1. Observe that, F1. Error no. F1 we are calling. F1 means you declare a global variable. A. What about its values are? 888. Excellent. Okay, 888. And the printed F1 is the 888. Now you are calling F2. Inside F2, sir, don't feel you are declaring a new global variable. No, sir. You are making global variable a is available. Then automatically, because of this keyword, a is available. You are making a is available. Remember this one, sir. Available like this, right? So then automatically, you know, a is equal to 999 means same a by default will be changed. Then automatically, sir, F2. If you are printing, then second time we are going to get 999. Are you getting right? Yes, overrides the old value. Yes, ma'am. Good doubt. I hope. Cohen. Okay, clear? Not required to keep much explanation about this terminology, right? Okay, that's all, sir. So this is what you people should aware. Yeah, if you in the F3, if you are calling in F3, if you are printing, just observe that. Everyone can able to answer, Cohen, even yourself also. Okay, now I'm taking print of, sir, F3, print of F3, sir, comma j. Can you please tell everyone can able to answer what is the last value we are going to get? What is the last value we are going to get? There should not be any doubt at all. I'm sure, definitely. What is the most recent value after completing F2? A value will become is 999. Cohen, do you want me to execute this code? Required or not required? Cohen, do you want me to execute this code? Okay, sir. Now, if I can take, then automatically, the output by default we are going to get 999. Sir, if you are changing the order, based on that change, output by default will be there. Suppose first F2 I'm calling, first F2 I'm calling, first F2 I'm calling, and after that F1, and then F3. Sir, based on that, first F2 I'm calling, 999 is the answer. And after that, F1 I'm calling, 888 is the answer. Next, and after that, F3 I'm calling, most recent value is nothing but 888. That's why, sir, have you observed right? 999, 888 by default is the answer. Okay, that's all. So, sir, in F3, sir, A is equal to 1000 I'm taking. Sir, Onkar, observe that. In F3, A is equal to 1000 I'm taking. You have to tell, man. You have to tell. What is the answer we are going to get? Everyone can able to tell. F2 answer is 999. F1 answer is, please respond. F1 answer is 888. Next, F3 answer is 1000, because the reason is it will become local variable of F3. Local variable will get highest priority like when compared with the outside. Sir, observe happily. Yes, sir, this is. Onkar, I hope your doubt got clarified. Correct? Onkar, your doubt got clarified. Where is Onkar? Yes, okay. Sir, now the next cinema, what I have to talk, sir, very important. Very important, sir. Legend, in these types of variable only. Sir, some people may be a chance of asking the doubt. What is my doubt here is, sir, I'm taking A is equal to, sir, just I'm taking, sir, 10. What is this variable? Please respond. Immediately you have to tell. What is this variable? What is this variable? Global. Now I'm taking A is equal to, sir, 20. What is this variable? 20, local variable, right? Sir, if I print of A, which variable is going to come? Please respond. Which variable is going to come? If I print A, obviously everyone can able to understand local variable will get highest priority. That's why 20 is the answer. Okay, 20 is the answer. But my requirement is, sir, I don't want that bleedy 20. I want global variable value, sir. Because by default priority is always one. By default priority is always local only. If this local is not there, then A means global only will come. But here local copy is there. That's why local copy is going to get highest priority. Okay, 20. But I don't want local, sir. I want global. What is the way? Manoj Kumar, super.a. You are coming from Java, I know. Manoj, super.a. Don't keep such type of things here. Because it is not Java code. Okay? Sir, what I have to take? I want local copy is there. I want global copy. How you can able to do that? Okay? Clear for all of you, right? Now, what I will take? Global A, it won't. Here, just observe. If you want a global copy, then there is a separate way is there, sir. What is this one? Yes, just what is the I'm taking? Globals. Can you please read once again? What is the function I'm calling? Globals. Sir, globals, sir, which is going to make all global members available. In that, which variable value I want? A variable value I want. 1 minute, sir. Let me print this global, sir. What is going to print? Have you observed, right? Dictionary. Have you observed, right? All global members related to that module by default it's going to print. In that, are you seeing anywhere our value? Yes, it's a dictionary. It's a dictionary. Of course, by default, my Python is going to add some global parameters for every module. That's why these are the things are going to come. Somewhere in the next sessions, we are going to discuss. Don't worry, sir. Sir, here in the our global copy is available or not? Respond, man. Our global copy is available or not? Yes, sir. Now, in that global, sir, A value I want. In that global, sir, I want. Sir, this is the dictionary. In this dictionary, what I want, sir, the value of A. Are you getting the value of A? So, in this case, local variable is going to come. In this case, global value is going to come because it is the key. It is the dictionary. In that dictionary, key is A, then the corresponding value by default is going to come, sir. Now, observe a bit carefully, 10 is going to come. Clear, right? So sometimes in the interview, maybe a chance of asking, sir, there is one global variable is there, local variable is there. Inside the method, if inside the function, I want global value, I don't want local value, then what is the way? We require to use globals, is the inbuilt Python's inbuilt function we require to use, and then like this. Now, happily, you can able to change it. Okay, sir, Rich Cohen is asking one another, sir, can you please make sure whether it's going to work or not? Like this one, sir, is a global. Okay, global. Yeah. Even some other student also asked this one. Let me print that. Are you getting right? What it is going to tell? What it is going to tell? Global. Yeah. Invalid syntax. Remember this one, sir? Are you getting right? Cohen. Okay, invalid syntax. Okay, like compulsory. This is the way what you have to do that. Okay, print globals. That's all. If I print of globals, then all global members related to that module by default is going to come. Okay, now in this dictionary, it is the dictionary, sir. Dictionary where all the global members by default will be there, sir. In the dictionary, I want the key value. What is this one, sir? Key. What is the value associated with this key? Then what is the answer by default we are going to get, sir? Sir, 10. Everyone can aware? Rishi, you are not getting the syntax? Yes, man. You are not getting the syntax? Everyone can able to understand? Any doubt about this one? Okay. That's all, sir. So this is above. Sir, I'm not getting the syntax. Print syntax CX. Up to this is the clear. Okay. One small thing I'm going to explain. Forget about this. Sir, some people are feeling a bit difficult. Nothing. Just here have a look once, man. Sir, I have one dictionary is there. Assume that D is the dictionary which contains several key values. D is equal to, how you can able to take the dictionary, sir, just I'm taking A. Okay, A, its value is the 10. Next, and after that B, its value is the 20. Next, and after that C, its value is 30. Like a dictionary is there. Are you getting what is this D? What is this T? D itself is nothing but what? Dictionary, right? Okay. Now I'm taking, sir, very simple, D of A. Here I'm taking. If I can take, if D is the dictionary, if you can specify the key, then the corresponding value by default we are going to get. Are you getting that? Corresponding value by default we are going to get. Now, what is the value associated with A? What is the value associated with A? 10. Are you getting right? Same way, here it is a dictionary. This dictionary contains all global variables and corresponding values. Okay, it is a dictionary. In this dictionary, sir, key is A. What is the value associated with A? I'm asking. Now, Rishi, I hope you can able to comfortable. Okay? Yes, that's all. So this is about, that's all. This is the last point related to global and local variables. You have to aware, sir. Okay, sir. Now just last point. I'm not here. Just have a look once, sir. Inside F1, first line is A is equal to 20. Second line is A. Third line is A is equal to, second line is global A. Third line is 50. Fourth line is print A. Then which A by default is going to come, sir? Which A by default is going to come? Good doubt. Okay. Here see this one. Here see this. Here I'm taking A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. Okay. Next, what I'm taking, sir? Here global A. Here global A I'm taking. Next, A is equal to 50 I'm taking. Now print of A. Can you please guess which A is going to come? Everyone, you have to respond. Whether am I going to get global variable A or otherwise local variable A? Yes, global variable A or local variable A. Which value by default we are going to get, sir? Yes, I mean 10 or 50. What value by default we are going to get? 10 or 50? Okay, well, legend this one. Yes, observe a bit carefully. Yes, ma'am. Huh? Here, name A is assigned to before global declaration. Okay, name A is assigned to before global declaration. Clear, right? Okay, so if you want to make a variable, yeah, the global, but before that already you declared something. Okay, so this type of codes is not going to be allowed. Clear, right? Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, so then automatically, yeah, sir, if you have, sir, when we should go for this one, when we should go for this one, to declare a global copy, to declare a global variable. Sir, if you want to declare a global variable, why you are taking local variable? Are you getting? Sir, you want anyway A. You want anyway A for this. That A is the global. Then make A, and then better to declare whatever the value you want. What is the problem? Sir, I want separate A for this function. I want to separate A for class for global level. Then who told you to declare inside a function? Better to take outside of that global. Next within that you can take local. Think a bit logical. Do you have such a type of programming requirement? No, then Python is not going to support. Getting going? Okay, that's all, man. This is about types of variables concept. What you people should aware, right? Okay, that's all. Make sure you should aware. That's it, sir. Okay, sir. That's all. In the next session, sir, I will talk about recursive functions, recursive functions, and anonymous functions, lambda expressions. In the lambda expressions, we are going to talk about filter function, map function, reduce function. Okay, like next, and after that we have to talk about, sir, decorators, function decorators, generators, these kind of concepts. Okay, just I'm stopping the session.